Honda NC750X DCT dual automatic clutch, no gears. No, here no, no, here no. System knee, it is free. D, it is drive normal. RM, it is you control. You press here, you control. You press here, it is automatic. You press here, it's empty. Look. Start engine. Now it is N. I press D. Now has number 1. If I accelerate, now it is automatic. It is D. Automatic. Start. And free. Here automatic. Now dangerous. Be careful. Now automatic. You watch. Change gear alone. Change gear alone. I don't change. It does moto alone. I start moto, change gear alone. You listen to the engine. Now I press D. It is automatic. It says number 1. Now number 2, number 3. Number 2.